briefly on it, but let's now move on to the Nairobian, where, Solo, this is your neck of the woods. And I see on the headlines, it's married pastor caught in love triangle.
Pythagoras
This
theorem.
is the Pythagoras
Oh, the
theorem.
where the Pythagoras
This is why it comes into...
In your daily life.
Oh, so this is where the Pythagoras
This
theorem
is why it comes into. And we're talking
Yes.
about Reverend Michael Musango, a former senior pastor at the House of Grace Church, and his wife, Pastor Evelyn Akinyi, who called it quits after 20 years. And, you know, the new lady came into their, the lucrative 35 million mansion. Well, Nairobian, as serious as we are, we even got their, their test conversations, which you can also get on Capital News on page 4. Get to understand what they fell out about. But pastors are making money. Do you know about 35 million house?
A 35 million house is a lot of money. And I can see you've already jumped to page 3, but I think Rwanda is a good country.
It's a good country.
It's a nice country to learn things, how to make sure that the country is clean.